What number's yours?
23.
Good morning and welcome on board this Eurostar to Paris, Gare du Nord.
No, you can.
This fucking the outside this station's the biggest shit.
I didn't say about
Here we are then.
Home again. How do you do this?
So nice, they're so close. Sì, esatto,
Maybe going this way through there. That'd be good. Got a few little angles there. C'est light.
il y a un monsieur aussi, madame aussi alors. Il faut avancer un peu, ça va bon?
Benvenuti a bordo del treno E5 Trenitalia Rimpianto Buon Viaggio. Good morning. Welcome on board 22 Planet. At 16, 5. Trinitalia wishes you a pleasant journey.
Fina så.
Wir müssen noch ein bisschen weiter nach da.
There's all in the shade now, isn't it?
Du har haft lite nära att du går över där.
This is perfect.